Nobody asked for the cruel deportations that we're seeing right now. We were promised that violent criminals, the worst in our community, would be removed. I'm good with that. I don't want violent criminals who are undocumented in our community. I'll help with that. Put out a list of 1,000 people. Most Americans are up for getting those folks out of our community. We were promised the worst would be removed. What we have found is that rather than focusing on the worst offenders in our community, this administration arrested a 6-year-old battling leukemia and detained that 6-year-old in the cruelest, harshest conditions. ICE detains 6-year-old leukemia patient and his family, even though they followed every immigration rule. In detention, the children cried every night, according to the family's attorney. The woman's 6-year-old son also experienced bruising and bone pain, both symptoms of leukemia, and missed an appointment related to his cancer treatment. His sister barely ate. Don't give me this Christian nonsense that I've heard from some of these witnesses. I'm a Christian. I'm a father. I'm from a law enforcement family. I was a prosecutor. This is not who we are. This is not what any American signed up for. This administration deported a 4-year-old American citizen battling cancer. They arrested a U.S. Marshal. They're not up for this job. They're just up for the cruelty, for owning the libs. They're not serious about protecting our communities from the worst. And these ICE agents running around our communities like masked bank robbers, terrorizing women, they're going to get themselves hurt, and I hope that doesn't happen. And we're already seeing women are being targeted by people who are impersonating ICE agents. I hope every state that is able to, and every community that is able to, unmasks ICE with their policies. If you're standing on the law, you can show your face. The FBI, they're probably doing a search and seizure right now at some dangerous criminal's home. They're not masked. They loudly, on their blue jackets, have that yellow insignia that says FBI. No other law enforcement agency in America runs around our communities masked. It's time that we unmask ICE. This is an administration that does not want to be held accountable. Secretary Noem does not want to come in and testify. Stephen Miller certainly doesn't want to sit in that chair and defend putting this 6-year-old battling leukemia into deportation proceedings. Tom Homan doesn't want to come here and defend why he thinks it's okay to target people based on their accent and the color of their skin. Yes, he said that. Thankfully, a California court has shut that down, and hopefully more lawsuits are brought across America to shut that down. But my Republican colleagues in Congress, they don't work for the administration. They are, theoretically, an independent branch of government. Article 1, the preeminent branch of government. So why do they go for this? Why do they enable this? Why aren't they outraged that this 6-year-old boy was in a condition where children are crying every night and experiencing bone pain as he fights cancer? This issue is pretty simple. Go after the worst and protect the most vulnerable, the ones who are contributing to our community. So if our Republican colleagues are not up for holding the administration accountable, then Democrats will. So, Mr. Chairman, Pursuant to Clause 2K6 of Rule 11, I move that the committee subpoena White House Deputy Chief of Staff for Policy and Homeland Security Advisor Stephen Miller.
Gentlemen, yield back.
Yes.
Is there a motion?
Motion to table.
There has been a motion to
Recorded
table. The gentleman moves the motion to table. The motion to table is privileged and non-debatable. All those in favor of the motion to table, please signify by saying aye. Aye. Any opposed, no?
No.
The ruling of the chair is the ayes have it. Mr. Swalwell,
Is
there a motion for a recorded vote? A motion for a recorded vote has been made. We will allow the clerk a moment to resume his position. The clerk will call the roll.
Mr. Green of Tennessee. Mr. McCall. Mr. Higgins. Aye. Mr. Higgins votes aye. Mr. Jimenez. Aye. Mr. Jimenez votes aye. Mr. Pfluger. Aye. Mr. Pfluger votes aye. Mr. Garbarino. Aye. Mr. Garbarino votes aye. Ms. Green. Mr. Gonzalez. Mr. Luttrell. Mr. Luttrell votes aye. Mr. Strong.
Aye.
Mr. Strong votes aye. Mr. Burkeen.
Aye.
Mr. Burkeen votes aye. Mr. Crane. Mr. Crane votes aye. Mr. Ogles. Aye. Mr. Ogles votes aye. Mrs. Biggs. Mrs. Biggs votes aye. Mr. Evans. Aye. Mr. Evans votes aye. Mr. McKenzie. Aye. Mr. McKenzie votes aye. Mr. Knott.
Aye.
Mr. Knott votes aye. Ranking Member Thompson. Ranking Member Thompson votes no. Mr. Swalwell. Mr. Swalwell votes no. Mr. Correa. Mr. Correa votes no. Mr. Tanadar. Mr. Tanadar votes no. Mr. Magaziner. Mr. Magaziner votes no. Mr. Goldman. Mrs. Ramirez. Mrs. Ramirez votes no. Mr. Kennedy.
No.
Mr. Kennedy votes no. Mrs. McIver. Mrs. McIver votes no. Ms. Johnson. Ms. Johnson votes no. Mr. Hernandez. Ms. Poe. Mr. Carter. Mr. Carter votes no. Mr. Green of Texas. Mr. Green of Texas votes no. Mr. Goldman has not been recorded. No. Mr. Goldman votes no.
Mr. Clerk, how's the chair recorded?
The chair has not yet been recorded.
Chair votes aye.
The chairman votes aye.
Are there any other members who wish to have their vote recorded? If not, the clerk will report the total to the committee.
Mr. Chairman, on that vote, there were 14 ayes and 12 noes.
The motion is passed. At this time, the chair would recognize the gentleman from the great state of New York, Mr. Oh, I'm sorry. At this time, we would recognize the gentleman from the great state of Texas, Mr. Luttrell, for his questioning.